Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi barakatuhu. Welcome back to our maths class. Today we are going to study addition and subtraction. Remove your Discovering Maths, that is your textbook, page number 17. On page number 17, addition is there. So, addition we have already done in the previous class. So, let's revise. You can see here O, you know that O stand for ones, T for tens. So, 0 plus 3. So, 0 means nothing, plus 3 means 3, and 3 here nothing is there. So, directly 3 is written on tens place. Now, you can see here O for ones, on ones 5 is there. So, you have to put 5 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So, just remove 1 from your fingers. So, 5 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So, you have to count after 5. So, 5 plus 1. So, how much? 5. After 5 the number comes 6. So, here 6. Now, see here 3. So, 3 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. So, suppose this 6 is your fingers. So, 3 in your mind and 6 on your fingers. Suppose this is your fingers. So, remove 6 fingers from your hand and count after 3. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So, here comes 9. So, come on, let's solve. Practice zone 7. So, no need to repeat on each and every sum that O stand for ones, T stand for tens. Okay. So, here 3. So, 3 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. So, remove your 3 fingers and you have to count after 3. So, after 3, suppose this is your 3 fingers. So, you have to count after 3. After 3, the number comes 4, 5, 6. So, write here 6. Now, here 2 is there. So, 2 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So, count after 2. After 2, 3. Okay. So, 2 plus 1 is 3. Now, see the next one. 6 plus 1. So, 6 in your mind and 1 on your finger. So, 6, count after 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 3 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. So, on your fingers 3. Remove 3 fingers and count after 3. After 3, the number comes 4, 5, 6. Now, see the next problem. 3. Same 3 in your mind and 2 on your fingers. So, can you guess please? Yes, that is 5. And 4 plus 1, 5. Now, see the next one. 2 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. So, count after 2. on your fingers? 3. Remove your 3 fingers. 3, 4, 5. Same here. 3 in your mind, 2 on your fingers. So the answer come, that is 5. Now the next one, 0 plus 0. 0 means nothing and 0 means nothing. It's 0. So 0 plus 0, the answer will be 0. And 3 plus 1, 3 in your mind, 1 on your finger. 3 plus 1, 4. 2 in your mind, 6 on your finger. So the answer will come, yes, it's 8. 4 in your mind, 3 on your fingers. So how much? Yes, it's 7. Now turn the page, page number 18. Remove page number 18. There subtraction is there. So let us revise subtraction. 8 minus 3. So if you don't know mentally, so what you are going to do? Remove your 8 fingers. Okay? Remove your 8 fingers and cut or fold 3 fingers from them. So what will be the remaining? 5. Remove your 3 fingers. Then fold your 2 fingers. So how much will remain? 1. Okay. Now this is done vertically. Now here it's horizontal. 8 ones minus 3 ones is equal to 5 ones. 3 tens minus 2 tens is equal to 1 tens. Come on, let's solve. Practice zone 8. Subtract the following. 8 minus 4. Same here also, you have to remove your 8 fingers. So remove your 8 fingers. From your 8 fingers, fold your 4 fingers. How much will remain? How many will remain? 4. From 5, remove your 5 fingers just like this. Then subtract 1. So you have to fold 1. You have to fold 1 your finger. How much is remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. Same here. Remove your 6 fingers. Fold your 5 fingers. How many are remaining? 1. And here below the 1, no number is there. So it means it's 0. Nothing is there. So 1 minus 0 means 1. Same here. 5 is here. So remove your 5 fingers. From 5 fingers, fold your 3 fingers. 1, 2, 3. How many are remaining? 2 are remaining. Now 3. So remove your 3 fingers. From your 3 fingers, fold 1 finger. How many are remaining? 2 are remaining. Now remove the next page. Remove page number 19. Here do and documents is there. Get into pairs. Make a hopscotch using any numbers between 1 to 100. Play the game using a disc or a coin. Throw the disc onto the grid and hop to the number on which the disc lands. Repeat till you reach the C. तो ये C है. You have to arrange numbers. कोई भी नंबर्स आप 1 to 100 के बीच में रैंडमली प्ले कर सकते हैं. ऐसा आपको बनाना है. सेम एज आप जैसा इन आर लैंग्वेज टिपरी पानी बोलते हैं. ओके. सो आपको एक डाइस फेंकना है, एक फर्शी का टुकड़ा फेंकना है. आप जिसके ऊपर भी जो नंबर पे आपका वो डिस्क जाएगा, आपको यहाँ पे वो नंबर लिखना है. आई हॉप्ड ऑन. हॉप्ड बोले तो आपने उसके ऊपर जंप किया, हॉप किया. आई हॉप्ड ऑन. कौन से नंबर पे किया आपने, वो नंबर लिखना है. और फिर आपको फेंकते जाके आपको आगे आगे बढ़ना है तब तक कि आप यहाँ पर ये सी तक नहीं पहुँचते. और आप जो नंबर पे जाएंगे उसके बाद नेक्स्ट नंबर यू हैव टू रिमेम्बर डैट. तो आपने यहाँ पर लिखा आई हॉप्ड ऑन. पहले जो आपका डाइस डिस्क गया, डिस्क लैंड, आप वो नंबर लिखोगे. देन राइट दीज नंबर्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. आप यहाँ पे क्या लिखोगे, आप कौन कौन से नंबर पे गए. सपोज यहाँ पर इसका डाइस गया फर्स्ट 13 पे गया, तो शी इज गोइंग टू हॉप ऑन 13. 13 के बाद वापस फेंकेगी, फिर वो जाएगा 17 पे, देन 21, देन 19, देन 20, वॉट एवर द नंबर इज रिटर्न, और जहाँ पे उसका डिस्क जाएगा. ओके. देन राइट दीज नंबर्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. फिर आपको क्या करना है, ये नंबर्स को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. सो यू नो वेरी वेल इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स you have to arrange these numbers from smaller to larger. So once you have done this increasing order, then write these numbers in descending order. फिर आपको उसी को descending order में लिखना है. Descending order means what? You have to arrange the numbers from larger to smaller one. Now it's time for homework. So remove your observation book, page number 9. On page number 9, question number 10. On page number 9, question number 10, add the following numbers. So you have to add and solve these all sums as we have done in your textbook. Today's homework on page number 9. Question number 10 of your observation book. Then turn the page, page number 10. On page number 10, question number 11, subtract the following numbers. So you have to subtract as we have done in your textbook. Now here, word problems are there. Okay, so let's solve. Riya has 5 pencils and her sister has 10 pencils. Who has more number of pencils? So Riya has 5 pencils and her sister has 10 pencils. Who has more number of pencils? तो किसके पास ज़्यादा पेंसिल है? Can you guess? Yes, Riya's sister has 10 pencil. So what you are going to write here? You are going to write here who has more number of pencils. So Riya's sister Riya's sister has more number of pencils. Riya's sister has more number of pencils. Okay. Now see the next one, that is 13th one. Rohan has 14 toffees. Rohit has 11 toffees. How many toffees do they have all together? So Rohan has toffees, that is equal to 14. Rohit has toffees is equal to 11. So how many toffees do they have all together? All together का मीनिंग क्या होता है? दोनों को मिलाकर. तो मिलाकर means what you are going to do? You are going to add here 14 plus 11. Here you are going to write ones and here tens. So 4 plus 1, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So 25 toffees they have all together. They have 25 toffees they has 25 toffees all together. Okay. They have 25 toffees all together. Now 14th one. Shreya has 10 blue pencils and 6 red pencils. How many pencils does she have all together? Okay. So this one is same as we have done above. So this is for your homework. Now 15th one. Rajni had 18 eggs. She cooked 6 eggs. How many eggs she left with? Okay. So Rajni had eggs, that is equal to 18. She cooked eggs 6. So what you are going to do? Left means कितने बचे उसके पास. तो we have to, what we are going to do? We have to do subtract. Ones, tens, 18 minus 6 and your answer 8 minus 6. 8 in your mind. Sorry, remove your 8 fingers. From your 8 fingers, fold your 6 fingers. So the answer will be 2. And here nothing is there, it means 0. So as it is, you have to put 1 here. So how many eggs is she left with? So 12 eggs is left with her. How many eggs left? 12 eggs. So 12 eggs she left with. Okay, or left with her. 12 eggs she left with. Okay, Rajni had 18 eggs. She cooked 6 eggs. How many eggs is she left with? So 12 eggs she left, or Rajni left. Okay, Rajni left 12 eggs. Rajni left 12 eggs. Only one word problem is there for your homework. Okay, turn the page. On page number 12, choose the correct option. So this is for your homework, as we have done previous. Number name, MCQ means multiple choice questions. Here multiple choice questions are given to you, answers are given to you. You have to choose the correct one. Number name of 29 is, number name of 29, where it is 29 written number name? Here. So you have to take here and solve all 5 sums. Now see on page number 13. Now it's fun time for you. On page number 13, one application is given here. To apply numbers and number names is real in real life. Ask any 5 friends to tell their birth date. Write their names, birth dates and number names of birth date. Okay, so आपको आपके 5 friends के here you have to write the names. Okay, अगर आपके कोई फ्रेंड्स नहीं है तो आप आपके कजन्स के नेम्स लिख सकते हो. यू कैन राइट द योर कजन्स नेम और योर फैमिली मेंबर्स नेम and here birth date, and write that birth date in your number name as written here. Suppose Rohan is your friend and his birth date is 19, so here written 19, number name 19. Okay, then see question number 2. How many friends share the same date? कितने फ्रेंड्स की बर्थ डेट सेम आई? सेम आई तो ठीक है, जितने सेम है उतने आप लिखोगे. नहीं आए तो राइट नो देयर. देन अगर यहाँ पर नो लिखेंगे तो ये तो सॉल्व करने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है, क्योंकि उसके राइट देयर नेम्स लिखना पड़ेंगे. अगर किसी के नंबर्स सेम होते हैं बर्थ डेट तो उसको आपको इधर नंबर नेम्स में लिखने पड़ेंगे जितने फ्रेंड्स के हो गए. ओके, देन क्वेश्चन नंबर 3, राइट द डेट्स इन इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर. आपको वो डेट को इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर में अरेंज करना है. देन यू हैव ऑन क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, you have to arrange that birth date on decreasing order. Then how did you feel? You had fun. I have learned number names increasing and decreasing order. I would love to do more these applications. I completed the application in. आपने जितने दिन में complete किया है, you have to write that one. Then on page number 15, you have to create a mathematical birthday card for your friend. Write his her birthday in different style, color or decorate it and present it to him or her. आपका जो फेवरेट आपका बेस्ट फ्रेंड होगा, आपको उसको बर्थडे कार्ड बनाकर देना है. तो मैथमेटिकल बर्थडे कार्ड मीन्स यू कैन सी ऑन पेज नंबर 16. ऐसा बना हुआ है. अगर आप 6 इयर्स आपके कंप्लीट हो रहे हैं ऑन डैट बर्थडे डेट, तो यहाँ पर ऐसा बना हुआ है 6 लिखकर उसको बर्थडे कैप, आइज लगा है, 6 हैप्पी बर्थडे, 4 + 2 6, 9 - 3 6. आप और क्या उसमें ऐड कर सकते हो? आपको टेबल्स आते हैं तो 6 आंसर आना चाहिए, राइट? तो आप 2 इंटू 3 कर सकते हो, 2 3 ज़ा 6 लिख सकते हो, 3 2 ज़ा 6 लिख सकते हो, और ऐसा मैथमेटिकली आपको डेकोरेट करना है। तो आपके आइडियाज़ यूज़ करो, मेक अ नाइस वन एंड स्टिक हियर on your previous page. Okay, so hope you have understood everything, and we have done now, we have completed our first chapter. Hope you have understood everything. Thank you.